Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're going to look at a problem involving linear functions, and we're looking at the equation of a line in point-slope form, okay? So we're told that a line with the equation y minus 3 equals 2 over 3 times x plus some value k goes through the point 4, -1, so we know a point that is actually on the line, and we're asked to solve for the value of k, okay? So, we have the equation of a line given to us here, and we know a point that is actually on the line. Now, any point on a graph, let's say, gives us an x and y pair of coordinates, right? And so, if our line goes through the point at 4, -1, that tells us that when we plug in 4 in for x and -1 in for y, that equal sign should hold through, right? The two sides should be equal to one another. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's plug in 4 in for x and -1 in for y, once again, because this point is on this line, meaning that when we plug in these values of x and y, this equality should be true. So if y becomes -1, then we have -1 minus 3 equals 2 over 3 times, we're going to replace x with the value of 4, so 4 plus k. That's what our equation becomes, because we plugged in actual values of x and y, given that this point is actually on this line. Now, the only unknown in this equation is k, and so using the techniques of algebra that we already know, we can solve for k. Let's go and do that. So, first thing, -1 minus 3 is -4, so we have -4 is equal to 2 over 3 times 4 plus k. And now there are a few different ways to do this. I would say the easiest one is that 2 over 3 there, it would be very convenient if it was gone. And so to get rid of that 2 over 3 that's multiplying that entire bracket, we can simply multiply the entire right-hand side by the reciprocal of 2 over 3. Which is multiplying by 3 over 2, right? That's because if we multiply 2 over 3, that is up front, by 3 over 2, those 3's and the 2's cancel out and we just get 1, right? It'll cancel each other out completely. And so that will be gone, and now we have to remember to always do the same thing on both sides. So we multiply the left-hand side by 3 over 2 as well. And so we get -4 times 3 over 2. I'll put it over here, -4 times 3 over 2. That means -4 times 3, which is -12 over 2, and -12 divided by 2 is -6. So our left-hand side is -6, and the right-hand side, the fractions cancel each other out, so all we have left is 4 plus k, and now we're almost done. We want to get k by itself, so let's get rid of the +4, subtract 4, do the same thing on both sides, and we find that -10 is equal to k. And we're done. So, if we did want to find the full equation of the line we were given at the start, we can now say that the equation of this line is actually y minus 3 is equal to 2 over 3 times k is -10 we found, so x minus 10. And that is the equation of a line in point-slope form. So, I hope this helps. I hope this starts to connect some points, how to use algebra to solve problems with linear functions. And thanks for watching.